slaves, black people are supposed to be inferior, and they pointed out to the curse of Chum. Now, it happens to be that Jewish law permits the enslavement of any non-Jew, white or black. That's another question which got raised. But that has nothing to do with racism. That's just a heter that we are allowed to enslave non-Jewish populations, perhaps to bring them to mitzvos, bring them to Torah and the like, but it's not a black thing.
Oh. All right, guys, I want you to listen to this.
This really got me thinking, because despite the horrific and abhorrent nature of the chattel slavery, most slaves back then never imagined a world without slavery. They only imagined a world where they would no longer be the ones suffering. And that thinking is where the problems of Africa begin. Because if all you dream of is changing position, not changing the system, you don't end oppression. You inherit it. You take over from your slave masters. Now, let me bring this home, okay? You see, colonization didn't just take land. It didn't just take resources. It trained minds. It taught hierarchy. It taught obedience. It taught that power must sit on someone's neck.
Thank you, Brother Melanete. Thank you so much. I don't want to put any link because I know that nobody will care to go to the link and listen. You know, it's what I see. What I see is people that want to remain slave for life. In fact, they love the name of those that are enslaving them, and they are coming out to tell you that you are inferior, you are a slave, and we always see you as inferior. We always use you as a slave. You know, I see people that really like, they are fighting so hard for you not to even say anything about them. And they will help them also to come on social media, to attack our platform, report our platform, and make them to agitate around us that are trying to open their eyes that on this 21st century, you are no longer supposed to be slave. And they enslave you, like if you go to listen to Melanated, now some of your pastors and your leaders are also enslaving you, controlling you, telling you what to do. I'm not saying we shouldn't respect our elder or our elders or our leaders. You know, I'm not saying that, but we have to respect when it's necessary, when it's well, when everything is well done, then respect comes in. Anyway, guys, I'm just sharing. If you want to share it, because I feel like sharing it. I will see you on my next video. Thank you.